Here we are again, back in the van. Just got this little Shield marine grade stainless steel padlock. When I actually bought it off eBay, it actually showed a removable core, which obviously it hasn't, but not a lot we can do about that, considering I paid a few quid. Wasn't expensive. Right, let's grab a pick. Let's see if we can actually keep it in the light on the camera. There we go. That's open. That was very easy. I say I'm not the greatest lock picker on the planet when it comes to pin tumblers, but this one was very easy. Come on, focus. Right. Let's go in upside down and see if we can rock it open. Oh, that was faster, wasn't it? Let's just grab a rake. There you go. Again, that was incredibly easy. I don't expect this to be a high security lock, but either way, it's a nice easy little pick. Give me something to do for a few minutes. Thank you very much.